We woke up this morning only to discover that our dear friend Murphy had struck again. Sunsets are always so beautiful on Lake Kariba, and as was our habit, we used to enjoy a drink or two every evening on the upper deck of the Mobi. The Mobi was equipped with an electric stalker, which we used for manoeuvring the Mobi into a suitable parking spot every day, and also to take the odd booze cruise along the shoreline from time to time. While stored, the stalker was secured to the steps leading to the upper deck, and on the previous evening, somebody accidentally activated the stalker. It did, however, not utter a sound, as the propeller was jammed against the step and could not turn. The result of this was that both our batteries were completely discharged, and we could not start our engine for this reason. Fortunately, the 50-horse Mariner has a pull start option under the hood, and so after several unsuccessful attempts, we got the engine running and could head on to the Tiger Bay Hotel. On arrival, I met the manager of the hotel, who was the son of a good friend of mine, Noel, back at home, and without hesitation, he allowed us to moor the Mobi to the hotel's jetty, and with an extension cord could connect a battery charger to the mains power to restore our batteries to full capacity.
Ivan and Naomi had in the meanwhile arrived and booked into one of the luxury tents for the first night, with Kurt and Rose due to depart in Ivan's Mackie to return to Binga by road the following day.
Needless to say, we enjoyed a lovely dinner together that evening in the hotel, as was to be the case on several evenings thereafter, while we were still in close proximity.